Hello people, welcome back again in this channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you guys among these two apps, this one here and this one here. Among these two apps, the best one to upload your videos as a new content creator, even as an old content creators. Okay, when you use this first one here to upload your videos, it will go, but not as when you use this second one here. Okay, let me explain it. The reason is why I am here today. Once again, my name is Ifi Favor. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well by subscribing to this channel. Like this video, share this video. Also follow us on YouTube, okay, by Learn with Ifi Favor. Right, you should upload your videos as a new content creator or an old content creator. With this one here is because of this. Number one, digital landscape. Facebook has become an indispensable platform for business to reach their target audience. Okay, increase brand awareness and drive sales when it comes to managing their Facebook presence. Oh, don't worry, I will break it down for you guys to understand what I'm talking about. Many business struggle to create engaging content through their audience and measure the effectiveness of their ads. The Meta Business Suite is designed to address this by providing an all-in-one platform for business to manage their Facebook presence and optimize their ads for better performance. What does these things mean? It means that Facebook app is one of the largest app worldwide. Okay, and in Facebook, the whole world as a whole, almost everybody has Facebook app, unless maybe if you want to divide everybody in this world as a whole, worldwide, across the globe, not countries, okay, across the globe, people that is using Facebook are much people, as in almost everybody is using Facebook app. Okay, and in each of the Facebook app, almost everybody that is using anybody that is using Facebook app has an account created on it. Right, Facebook has large audience in the sense that people that has their normal profile account and people that has their pages are posting of almost day in day out. Every minute of the day in this world as a whole, more than 10 million posts is being uploaded with Facebook app. Okay, so because of this thing, those people that has page, those people that has Facebook pages and normal Facebook profile, a kind of competing. When you post your videos through Facebook app, it will be as if your videos is competing with other posts from normal Facebook profile. Okay, so because of this reason, Facebook decide to introduce Meta Business Suite for only people that has Facebook pages, only for business. That is why it is called Facebook Meta Business Suite. Right, it is called Facebook Meta Business Suite because it is only for people that has page. So it is not for people that do not have page. You cannot manage your profile with Meta Business Suite. No, it's not possible. Note that Meta Business Suite is not for profile or professional mode. It is only for Facebook pages. Okay, with the Meta Business Suite, you can create and publish your posts, engage with your audience, and track your performance all in one place. Later on, you have like 4 or 5 pages. With Meta Business Suite, you can manage your pages, right? So with this Meta Business Suite app, you can manage all these pages. You understand? And the reason why it is very important for you to be posting through your Meta Business Suite is because it will give your video chance to perform very well, because a kind of the pressure that is going on normal Facebook has already reduced to only the only people that has pages on the Meta Suite. So it gives this a kind of chance to trend, your videos chance to do well. Number 2, Meta Business Suite is also introduce your videos to more audience. Okay, it will introduce your videos to more audience. So it's very important that as a content creator or even Most of all these our old content creators, all of them are making use of Meta Business Suite. Your videos will be also doing very, very well. By leveraging the Meta Business Suite, you can take your Facebook marketing to the next level. Okay, driving real results and revenue for your business. Remember, mastering the Meta Business Suite takes time and practice. Okay, don't expect it when you just open Meta Business Suite and you post once, boom, the video will go. No, it takes time to grow. You understand? As far as you keep on posting out, before you know it, boom, it will pick up. All right, to help you introduce your videos to many people. Let's assume that Facebook app used to introduce your video for like 200 people, and at the end of the day 50 people will watch, or 30 or 100 people will watch. You understand? It will introduce your video to like 500 people. Then when your Facebook Meta Suite introduce your video to 500 people, at least 100 and 200 and is going to watch that video, and from there you'll be getting more view, more likes, more audience, and so on. Okay guys, I just want to show you where you can download Meta Business Suite. If you are a content creator or you just open a Facebook page, the best thing for you to do is download Meta Business Suite on your Google Play Store, set it up. From there, use that place to post any video that you want to post on your Facebook page. Your Facebook page will appear there. You understand? Immediately you download Meta Business Suite on your phone. After downloading, click on it, set one or two things up there, and your page will appear on that Meta Business Suite. From there, you will start to post your videos through there. Through your Meta Suite, you can put description and all that. And remember to put tags on your video. It is very, very important. Look for trending tags. Anytime you post a video, look for trending tags and tag on your videos before posting. It is very, very important. When you put all these things to practice, you will see that, you know, in no time your video, as far as when it's steady back to back, posting back to back, in no time your videos will start trending on Facebook app. You know, some of these secrets, you know, our people, as in some content creators, will not tell us. You just think maybe they are using Facebook app to post their videos. No, they don't use Facebook app to post their videos. Okay, they use Meta Business Suite to post their videos. You understand? If you have any question about business Meta Suite or any experience, drop it at the comments below. And remember to subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Okay guys, let me just show you how you download the Meta Business Suite and where to download the Meta Business Suite as I discussed to you. Okay, for us to download this Meta Business Suite app, so we are going to make use of our Google Play Store. Just go straight to the Google Play Store. I just want to show you. Click on your Google Play Store, then type in Meta Business. Okay, you can see it up here, Meta Business Suite app. Click on Meta Business Suite app. Okay, so as you can see, you're going to see it here. This is the Meta Business Suite app, right? So I've already installed this app on my phone, and that is the reason why is just showing here open. Okay, I've already installed it on my phone, so I just want to show you where you can store the app after downloading it. Okay, after downloading it, set it up, you know, and start using it to post your content. It's very, very important. It will help you to increase your reach. They introduced this app because, you know, Facebook is a combination of both profile accounts and pages. A kind of competition is going on there. A lot of competition, people that is posting through their normal Facebook accounts and people that is posting through their pages. The Facebook now introduced Meta Suite for only for creators or alone, for people that has Facebook pages, not Facebook profile or the profile that you turn to professional mode. Okay, it's not for that. It's only for pages, right? Okay guys, that is it. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well by subscribing to this channel. Also follow our new YouTube channel, Name is Learn with Ife Favor. Go to your YouTube channel, go to your YouTube, search for Learn with Ife Favor. Please subscribe to this channel. That is where you will get all the tutorials that you need to know about your social media platform. See you in my next video.